Welcome to the video. This is the instruction of product SINGCALL, one multi-function pager with one watch. First, make sure the mobile receiver and the multi-function pager on standby. Then, press the button FUN for 3 seconds, and then F1 appears. Second, keep pressing the button FUN till 001 appears. Then use the button ENT and FUN to choose the number you want. Third, when the multi-function pager is on standby, keep pressing the button menu till FS appears on the screen and the indicator light is on. Fourth, keep pressing the button FUN till F1 appears on the screen, and keep pressing the button ENT. Then the receiver is back to standby directory. Then registration is finished. Thanks for watching.